The men's R1 TechFace jacket is a versatile layer for shifting mountain conditions when you need sweat-wicking warmth with a little protection from the elements. The smooth outer face resists abrasion and sheds moisture with a durable water-repellent finish made without PFCs, also known as PFAS or forever chemicals. The lightweight double-weave fabric is soft and warm next to your skin, but doesn't trap heat when you're working hard. The articulated pattern and stretchy materials allow for a wide range of movements, especially reaching overhead or across the body. Two welted high hand warmer pockets with mesh backers keep goods close at hand and out of the way of a harness or a pack waist belt. Low bulk cuffs and an adjustable hem lock in warmth and layer well if colder temps roll in. When you need versatility for alpine scrambling, shoulder season skinning, or cold weather bouldering, nothing beats the abrasion and weather-resistant warmth of the men's R1 TechFace jacket.